Hello all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raju Bujala. Today, let's take a look at how to find the factorial of a given number using recursion. So let's deep dive into this video and let's see how we can find the factorial. Okay, let's understand what exactly is a factorial number. A factorial number is nothing but, for example, if they given 3 factorial, if they ask you to find the 3 factorial, so it is like 3 into 2 into 1. For example, if they ask you to find the 4 factorial, so this is like 4 into 3 into 2 into multiplied by 1. For example, 5 factorial, if they ask you, so it is like 5 into 4 into 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So what exactly a factorial? Factorial is nothing but, if, for example, if they ask you factorial for n, and you have to, it's going to be n into n minus 1, right? And this n minus 1 we have to repeat until this goes to 0, into n minus 3 goes until like 0, until like 1. And also do remember that 0 factorial is nothing but 1. If they ask you to find a factorial for 0, the output is always 1. And for 1 factorial, it is 1. For 2 factorial, it is 2 multiplied by 1. It's going to be 2. Right? This is all about the factorials. So I hope you understand how to, what exactly the factorial over here. And now we are going to write a code to find the factorial for a given number. So as like I said, let's always use the functions or the classes to write the codes. Let's go ahead and let's do the function. Define factorial. I'm going to give a number n. Okay, whatever the number, we'll pass a number over here later, and then we will see what is this one. And then, as like I said, so here these two are the exceptions. If these values we already know. If someone asks like 0 or 1, it is always going to be 1. So if n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1, I would like to return 1 instantly. Or if in case whatever the other number, we have to write this one. So for the other numbers, I would like to return, because every function it has to return 1. For this condition it will return this one, and for the main function return n into factorial of n minus 1. Now if you think like, oh, this is like an inbuilt function, no, this is not an inbuilt function. So basically whenever we are writing the factorial over here, basically we are calling the same function. So this is nothing but we are calling a function within the defined function. So this is called a recursive call. So this works continuously until the value becomes 0 or 1. Okay, let's execute this one, and now let's see factorial of 0, it's going to return 1, and let's say factorial of 1, this one, let's say factorial of 5, it's 120. So how it written? 5 into 5 minus 1 into multiplied by 5 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 3 multiplied by 5 minus 4, or else I can say 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, right? So this is how we can write a program which helps us to find the factorials. Thanks a lot for watching this video. You don't have to pause this video to find the code. So I'm going to provide my GitHub repository in the description. You can just use this link and you can copy the code and you can start practicing. And one quick suggestion to everyone who are watching my videos, please do practice while watching this video. So you open a YouTube video until here, and then you open the Colab over here, and then you start practicing, or like split the screen into multiple sections, and then you practice. This is how I learned, and I strongly suggest this is how you should learn. If in case if you would like to do more research, all these AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, all these are like very handy. You can go into that and you can ask for more explanation. It always helps, and that's how I also learn. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please do watch rest of the videos. Every day I'm posting a video specifically at 12 o'clock in my time. I'm from India, and I wish you all the best for your career and success. Thanks a lot.